so before you even watch this video, it would really mean a lot to me if you gave it a thumbs up down there, because I did something really dumb and I recorded the entire video and it turned out great, and then I accidentally deleted 80% of the footage, so now I'm filming it all over again. So give it a thumbs up down there if you appreciate the effort. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to repurpose old records that nobody wants anymore, that are scratched up, found at the thrift store, like practically garbage that nobody else wants, into things that are actually usable now. You can use them as art, they're actually functional, and they're a lot more cute than they were before. You just want to make sure when you're picking your records that you don't pick any of the classics that people are going to get mad at you for ruining. And I also wouldn't use any of your brand new records. If you don't have any records at home that you can use, I would check out thrift stores, because you can get a bunch of really old ones for like 75 cents that everyone just like threw away, that no one's listening to. That's where I got all the records that I'm using today. So without further ado, let's just get into the DIYs. So something that's really cool about records is that when you heat them up in the oven at about 250 degrees Fahrenheit, they become malleable, so you can mold them into pretty much whatever, and you can also cut them with regular scissors. So for the first DIY, we're going to be making a record bowl. So basically all you need is an oven-safe bowl, and then you just want to lay your record on top of the bowl so that when it melts, you can push it directly inside the bowl and just push it around the edges. So I'm gonna go ahead, heat the oven up, and put my record bowl inside.
Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it, and I've been needing.
So like I said in the intro, this video was actually already recorded, so my next DIY is already done for you guys. Basically, you just need a notebook that you don't like the cover of, and then you just want to trace the outline of it with a pencil on a record, and pencils actually write on these records like super well, and they just wipe away after, which is nice. So you just want to trace the shape that you want on the record, and then put it in the oven until it becomes soft, and then you can just cut it with regular scissors. And again, if it becomes too hard to cut all the way through before you're done cutting, just put it back in the oven for a little bit longer, take it back out, cut it, put it back in, just keep repeating the process until you can cut it enough that will fit your notebook, and then you can just go ahead and hot glue it to the front of your notebook.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts.
So records can also be used for decorational pieces as well. I mean, some of them look cool on their own, like this one. I don't even want to cut this one because it looks really cool. But if you get one that's kind of like plain, like, and it just has words on it, and you want to like hang it on your wall, you want to make it a little bit more cool looking, you can do the same thing where you put it in the oven and then you take it out and then you cut it up into a cool shape. Like I've seen so many cool ones of these, like if you search them on like Pinterest and stuff, and sometimes they'll have like cityscapes along the top and stuff like that. I decided to make mine into a Polaroid. You just have to put the record in the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, put it in, wait till you see it kind of like, it almost looks like it's like kind of wrinkling a little bit. It's gonna start like getting soft, and then you can take it out and cut it using either scissors or a strong X-Acto knife. That's exactly what I did here, and you're about to see the footage of me making this one. So let's just go ahead and roll the clips.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet, I know the reason why. I'm not gonna hide it, I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it, what you got yourself into. what you got yourself into. Come on, say something, I wanna hear your voice.
Thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. It really means a lot to me, especially since I filmed this twice. And as you guys can see, I'm all decked out for Christmas. Originally when I filmed this, it was before I decorated, so that's why the footage kind of changed like halfway through. But yeah, I'm all decorated for Christmas, so let me know in the comments down below what videos you guys want to see for holiday videos this year, because I'm gonna start filming them like in a few days and I can't wait. I'm uploading every Tuesday now, so if you ever want to find a new video on my channel, just come back every Tuesday. There's going to be a new video, and sometimes I'll have a sneaky Friday upload, but for now, I'm going to be uploading every single Tuesday so that I can be consistent for you guys. So make sure to come back next Tuesday for a brand new holiday video. And yeah, with all that being said, I will see you guys next week with a brand new holiday video. Bye!